In this guide, you'll learn how to open YouTube TV account on PC or mobile. Let's get started. The process is similar for both devices. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in tv.youtube.com. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now go ahead and click on the option Sign In. In this page, you're going to find the Google accounts you are currently using in your device. You can use any of the Google account to create your YouTube TV account. In case you don't have any Google account, you can create one. For that, click on the option Add Account. Now click on the option Create Account. Type in the first name and last name. Then click on Next. Now select date of birth, likewise gender, and click on Next. Now generate email address. Then you can click on Next. Also, you're gonna get the option for your email address. You can choose it from here as well. Once you do that, click on Next. Now go ahead and generate the password, confirm it, and click on Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your phone number along with the country code. Type in that and click on Next. Now you'll be receiving verification code in your phone number. You'll need to type in that code. Once you verify your phone number, you'll be good to go. Your Google account has been created. Now your Google account will be available over here. You'll need to click on the Google account that you have just created, and just for that you will be logged into your YouTube TV account using the Google account that you have just created. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily open YouTube TV account on PC or mobile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.